Hello guys, welcome to the new video, and today I'm gonna talk about monday.com, which is a great website which will help you to create your schedule and plan your things that you are gonna do with your social media. Now this will really help you to grow your social media, engage with your audience, and etc etc. So now what I'm gonna be focusing on today is uh, how you can plan your social media with the help of monday.com. So let's just start right. Okay, so what you have to do first is you have to log in or create account with monday.com. If you have already created one, just follow me. Okay, now what you have to do is to manage social media. You have to go to add and then click on choose from templates and then search social media. And if you just search social, this will pop up and you have to just select it and then click on use template. Now you will be ready to go. So guys, this is our workspace, and this is what our template looks like. And guys, this is really great. You want to know how? You just watch it. So what you're gonna do is it's gonna show you main table, calendar, files, timeline, kanban, and word cloud, ready to schedule things. First we have to focus on main table, which is the one of the most important thing. So this is month 1 and day 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so you can actually maintain it with you can do it weekly or etc, but let's just follow it. Let's just say that day 1 it's written here, but I want to rename it and make it uh okay, let's just leave it to what I'm gonna do is today on day 1 I will be adding 2 reels on Insta. So in the same way you can you can rename all the things that you want to do, and now you can also schedule the dates. Let's just say that I want it April 20 but not 22, so you have to just click in and then select this date on the calendar. This is post copy. Maybe let's say that what will be your caption. If you have thought of a good caption, you can change it from here. I can do let's make it GDWP and content creation. What kind of content is this you gonna be? So you this or that favorite etc etc. And lead, you can add leads with the help of this option. You can add one or more, or as much as members you want to add by email. And this is image design. Here you can select or import images from your computer and add it here to just track that what kind of image or what video you will be posting that particular day. Now this is design status, edit brand colors, add logo, what you have to do and that particular day, what you have to do with our posts. If you want to make it ready to schedule, if you have created it, and I will just say that it's ready to schedule, and that's it. If you this basic our basic table is almost done, and on this edit URL you can actually add your website's URL. Let's say that I'll add instagram.com, press enter, and this is, and if you will click on it, it will open Instagram, and it's actually working. If you have an edited image on etc, you can again add it here. And now here is Facebook posting status, or Twitter posting status, Instagram posting status, and all these things. If you have already published your image, it's published. If you want to schedule it, click on scheduled. For scheduling, you have not completed the thing, so you can just select for scheduling, and that's pretty much how you can mess with this. Next thing you can do is, guys, you can go to calendar and you can view your timeline in this. You can view your work with the help of this calendar, and you can go to monthly, weekly, and daily. This is our daily schedule or weekly schedule or monthly schedule. You can edit here on the day basis. You can say that that's how you want your things to be. You can edit or you can do whatever you want. Now this will be reflecting the main table that we created, so there is not much to know in this. Now files, here are all the files that you will be like uploading or you have uploaded in the monday.com. Now timeline is how you do the work and what you do. Now this is like the basic example for what it is. You can actually like view this on the days basis, weeks basis, month basis, on quarter, year basis as well. So this again is reflecting the main table. If you have messed with the main table, you can edit timeline and mess with it again. And this kanban is basically what you have to do and what you are about to do. And you can like, let's say that you have found a great hashtag, let's say just gmv hashtag gmv, but you don't want to forget it, so you can just write here hashtag gmv and add. So when you will be like posting it, you can just go here and then you can see that what kinds of hashtags you have set. Now what mindset, fill in the blanks, etc, etc are there. So this is pretty much kanban is basically telling you that what you have left to do, what you have to do, and what you are going to do. And if you are gonna keep anything in your mind for the work, here is what you can take help with. Okay, so word cloud is basically here you can like search things. Let's say Modi and search, or not like Modi, like if you have like added anything, let's say G, and maybe it will like show here. Okay, so here is the thing, the world code and ready to schedule is like you can set the content that is ready to schedule, and you can just make it and you can just post it like just like that. So let's say on the main timeline you just don't want to like have it only 1 month, you also want to work for the next month, next week actually. So you can like write next week, and you can again edit things from here. Now when you will open the social media planner template, you will see like social media planner, social media plan. Now with the help of social media plan, what you are going to watch is what are your goals, strategy, mindset, success, material, content. That's what social media plan will show you. But here is only this much that it will show you. Here we cannot go in much detail. So what we have to do is we have to work on social media planner that we were doing up till now. Okay, so that's it guys for social media planner. If you want to know more about the social media planner, you can comment down, and if you like want to ask any questions, again you can comment down. But now let's say you want to like work with marketing templates, so you will just like marketing. After you will write market, you can select this marketing activities, use template, and here you will see the template. So this is how the template will look, and again you can just mess with. So every kind of template this monday.com offers you is slightly different from each other, but the basics are like same. For example, here you can again change the name of content or what you want to do that day. And the campaign owner, you can select different campaign order for let's just say for the first campaign it's me, and the second I want to add someone, let's say my friend, so I'll just invite a new member by email. The platform I can add, let's say I want to add Reddit also, so just click here and then okay, so it's not offering Reddit. So okay, so I can like create a find label, so I will just write Reddit here. You can like content status, if it's done just select done, if it's stuck just select stuck. That's how you can do it guys. For next week again you can like select this and change it into next month or etc, whatever the hell you want to do with it you can do. So guys, that's pretty much how you can handle monday.com. It's not really hard. If you like go through it, it will become really easy to use. But if you want me to tell you more about monday.com in detail, you can comment down and I will work on that. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you, that's it guys, bye bye.